Okay guys, we need to talk about this restaurant here in Singapore.
So ini can poy ya.
Teaching is one of the most vital parts. So
You don't make 2K sales, right? Then
you
do you
have
still
to
get
keep
your
a
2K?
follow- No,
Huh? No.
no.
So whatever sales amount you get, they pay you the salary. Damn.
Top of your commission, right?
But after 1 year, 2 years, the 2K eventually comes. Only.
It wasn't even. Okay, cheers.
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 How are you, Danny? Haven't seen you in a while. I saw her. May I ask you?
Oh, by the way, if you guys want more information, you can just skip to the last part of the video.
He's
My ex since I was 15, 16.
Oh, okay.
So we reconnected after unless
He's probably the type of guy who saw you post like
All the time, huh?
all the time.
Just checking out his.
Never.
Sure or not?
And then message you, are you okay?
No, but something along those lines. He DM'd me coincidentally like around the time that I was ending my relationship. Then he was like, "Hello, old flame." Then I was like, "Wow, ballsy."
Wow, bro. The beef is good.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know about the noodle, but I went for the beef first. Wow. Wow.
Good
Who
stuff.
came up with these dishes? Alex, cannot be. Evan, right?
Give it.
Gavin.
Yeah. All of the dishes actually. Kim just saw your Gabriel.
Oh yes.
You are, yeah. Kim was like, isn't that Gabriel? I said,
Oh, Kim is there also?
Did you get that? I said, oh. He said there's a Thai, not Thai veg.
Yeah.
But I can't
Oh,
remember
yes.
your name though.
Zabu.
Oh yeah, Sabu. Oh yeah, I do know your name.
You owe me a beer.
Beer only ah. Aiya.
Yeah, beer only. Beer enough.
Kim is working in the kitchen or?
No, he's helping out. But setting up. He's gonna give a bad YouTube review.
The satay sauce is
Good, eh?
Good stuff.
However you want it. Yes.
It's just like mala, but what kind of noodles are these?
Knife cut.
Knife.
Knife cut noodle, bro.
If I'm not wrong, that one is
The
like
knife
quite
auto
numbing.
cut.
That what?
The knife cut itself.
Is it?
No lah.
I don't know how they make it.
It's like close
Cut
to
with
a
knife,
fork.
yeah. Yeah, this one is like fur,
Yeah.
but like proper fur with nice beef.
If I'm not wrong, that one is like numbing, spicy. Not spicy, but like numbing.
Casey is not. He's not around anymore.
No, he's at Kampar.
Yeah.
April.
April.
Are these pineapple or
Pickle.
pickle?
Pickles.
Kevin, what is this? The yellow stuff?
Yeah, the yellow stuff.
Is it pineapple?
Pineapple, right?
Even too small, yeah. Terbang ah.
Eater.
Review.
Review. It's good. This one very good. I heard it's all your
All my
creation. Huh?
What chef?
Join lah. I don't execute it. They do it.
Yes. It's concept.
You are big boss, this one.
No lah.
Wear a jacket. The shoes shining at my face.
Just meeting a client later.
Not sure about big boss, but big balls now.
Big balls.
The broth is.
They also send it to the.
Hi, Kim. Oh.
How are you?
Busy.
Kim is always busy.
You know. Okay, you look smart. Smart, give it.
It is banana.
Thank you.
This is the what's that? Knife cut mala noodles. I've already cooked this before here, but the noodle texture is not that good.
There's pineapple.
Yeah, pineapple. It's pineapple. Wow. Good, bro.
Just keep getting better.
Last time their beer used to be better than the food.
Maybe it's because we sent already of the last time menu.
Now the food is better than the beer. Cheers, guys. Yeah, my house, my old house.
I know we went to East Coast Park to do magic.
Round 2. Fight!
Heavy, man.
Anyway, I went out today to Haji Lane, Bugis Haji Lane here in Singapore, and yeah, I was gonna do a vlog, but it just started raining cats and dogs. So yeah, I went back to my old place, my old workplace, and they have rebranded this little, this one side of the restaurant to Fat Choi Eating House, and oh my god, it's the food there. I only tried 3 dishes, but the food there was just incredible. I think that word might not just cut it off, but yeah, let's talk about the food. So the three dishes that we had was Wagyu beef noodle, which is very similar to pho, like the the Vietnamese noodle, but 10 times better, a lot better. The broth was amazing. The Wagyu beef was, oh my god, I want to eat it right now. It was amazing. The noodles were amazing, and then the other one was the next noodle dish was mala. They call it knife cut noodle. It was everything is just so balanced. Like, it's not so numb, it's not so spicy, but you still get a lot of flavors, like a lot of mala flavor. And yeah, just their lunch version comes with like dumplings, so yeah, just for like $4 top up. So I am definitely gonna try out their new menu. There's a ton of items on it, but yeah, today I wasn't even gonna vlog about this place, but yeah, I ordered it, and then I just started to take out my camera, and then I need to record something, and yeah, that's how it happens. And last dish was satay, but they used pork jaw, like the cheek area. It was just like the most tender, most soft. It almost, my friend described it as like almost like a Wagyu beef, like fatty, meaty, soft. Wow. And they have like a pineapple topping on top of that, and with like the traditional satay sauce. Wow, guys, I'm telling you, you have to try it. You guys have to go down. If you guys ever happens to watch this video, go and try. I'm telling you, the food there was just next level. So yeah, back when I was working, we didn't have that food. Everything in the menu have changed apart from the fries. So yeah, anyway, this place is in Haji Lane, right across 7-Eleven. So yeah, it's hard to miss. And yeah, they do I used to work there, so we do like craft beer, local craft beer, and yeah, everything is incredible. Craft beer is incredible as usual. I drink quite a few just now, but yeah, the food, that's something that I will be going back there again, and I will be shooting a vlog. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. This wasn't a planned vlog. This wasn't like anything like that out of the blue, but I just have to share it with you guys. So yeah, hope you guys like the vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I hope you guys go to Fat Choi Eating House and go and try out their food. It's just amazing, guys. So yeah, go and try. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.